When it comes to home improvement, replacing your doors can have a significant impact on both the aesthetics and functionality of your space. Whether you're upgrading for better security, improved energy efficiency, or simply a fresh look, choosing the right door replacement for your home in Manassas is crucial. Here's a guide to help you make an informed decision when selecting the best door replacement for your home. Consider the purpose of the door. The first step in choosing the right door replacement is to determine its primary function. Are you replacing an entry door, a patio door, or a bedroom or bathroom door? Each type of door serves a different purpose, so it's essential to focus on your specific needs. Entry doors. This is the first line of defense against the elements and intruders. It should be durable, secure, and aesthetically pleasing, as it also enhances your home's curb appeal. Patio doors. These doors connect your indoor living spaces with the outdoors. They should offer ease of access and excellent natural light while also providing security. Interior doors. While these don't require as much security or weather resistance, they should complement your home's interior design and provide the necessary functionality. Select the right material. Doors come in various materials, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. The material you choose will significantly impact the door's performance, appearance, and maintenance needs. Wood. Classic and elegant, wood doors are a popular choice for entry doors. They offer natural beauty and insulation but require regular maintenance to prevent warping or damage from the elements. Steel. Steel doors are known for their durability, security, and energy efficiency. They are a great option for entry doors but may not have the same aesthetic appeal as wood. Fiberglass. Fiberglass doors offer a great balance of strength, energy efficiency, and low maintenance. They are resistant to warping, cracking, and rotting, making them an excellent option for both entry and patio doors. Glass. For those looking to maximize natural light or create a more open feel in their home, glass doors are a good choice. They are often used for patio doors and can be paired with other materials like steel or wood for added security and insulation. Energy efficiency matters in Manassas, where temperatures can range from hot summers to chilly winters. Energy efficiency should be a top priority when choosing a door replacement. A high-quality, energy-efficient door will help you maintain a comfortable indoor temperature and reduce your energy bills. Look for doors with a high R value, which measures the door's ability to resist heat transfer. Insulated doors, typically made of fiberglass or steel, are ideal for this purpose. Additionally, ensure that the door is properly sealed with weather stripping to prevent drafts and leaks. Focus on security. Your home's security should always be a priority when replacing doors. Entry doors, in particular, need to offer a solid level of protection. Opt for doors with strong frames and secure locking mechanisms. Deadbolts. Make sure the door comes with a deadbolt, which provides added security over standard locks. Reinforced frames. A door frame made of solid wood or metal will resist forced entry and ensure the door remains intact during a break-in attempt. Peepholes or smart doorbells. Installing a peephole or smart doorbell with a camera allows you to screen visitors before opening the door, adding an extra layer of security. Style and design. The style of the door you choose should complement the overall aesthetic of your home. In Manassas, homes vary from traditional to contemporary styles, so there are plenty of options available to match your taste. Traditional. Classic wood doors with paneling or glass inserts are perfect for colonial-style homes. Modern. Sleek steel or fiberglass doors with minimalist designs work well for modern homes. Custom designs. If you have specific design preferences, many door manufacturers offer customization options, including different colors, finishes, and hardware styles. Professional installation. Once you've selected the perfect door, professional installation is crucial to ensure the door functions properly and provides long-lasting performance. Poor installation can result in drafts, water leaks, and compromised security. Make sure to hire a reputable contractor in the Manassas area who specializes in door replacements. Budget consideration. Finally, while it's essential to choose a high-quality door that meets your needs, it's also important to stick to your budget. Door prices can vary significantly based on material, style, and features. Be sure to get quotes from multiple contractors in Manassas and consider financing options if needed. Conclusion. Choosing the best door replacement in Manassas requires careful consideration of your needs, preferences, and budget. Whether you're replacing an entry door for better security, improving energy efficiency with a fiberglass option, or enhancing the curb appeal of your home, selecting the right door will make a noticeable difference. With the right material, design, and professional installation, you'll enjoy the benefits of a durable, stylish, and functional door for years to come.